Today we're going to make some baba ganoush, or baba hanush as we say in Armenian. And I used to have this all the time growing up. It's just such an easy thing to make. It's perfect for meal prep, to have available throughout the week, to enjoy on sandwiches or just as a snack with some crudité or some pita chips. Very versatile. So such a simple recipe. It comes together so easily. And super healthy too. We need some garlic, tahini, a touch of cumin, and I like to add a little bit of smoked paprika as well for that kind of smoky flavor. Eggplant. We need some lemons. And that's it. Oh, and then a little bit of salt. So I've got a little salt here, and we'll put that in to taste. So we have our roasted eggplant, which I roasted yesterday. Be sure to pierce before you put it in the oven. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway through. It's ready when completely soft inside. The exact cook time depends on the size of your eggplant. Go ahead and scoop out the inside of it. Comes out pretty easily. Usually don't use the skin, but comes out pretty easily. Okay, make sure to get as much as you can. Okay. There we go. That looks pretty good. All right. Okay. There we go. All right. Some garlic. And I actually have some here. Opened. And you can go by what you like. Oh wow, that is quite a big clove. All right, so maybe not all of that, but maybe. Even though the garlic is going into the food processor, I like to cut it in a few little pieces. It doesn't have to be a fine dice, but just to make sure it gets distributed. I'm rolling out 2 lemons, but I'm going to start with just the juice of 1 lemon, and I'll see if I need to add any more. Get everything in the food processor. Garlic, and I'm just going to start. I might not do that entire clove because that was a big clove. And then we're going to do some tahini. And I'm going to do a couple tablespoons. And again, this is all to taste. You can make adjustments however you like. And a bit of lemon. One of these days I need to get those fancy, nice lemon zester things. Zesters, sorry, lemon squeeze. What do you call them? Whatever they're called. So I do like a lot of lemon. So I'm going to start with 2 lemons, the juice of 2 lemons, and see how that goes. I actually just ended up doing 1 lemon. A little more. Okay, and then cumin. And I'm actually probably going to do even less than 1/4. So I'm going to do like 1/8. I'm going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon. Because I'm not a huge, I don't want to taste the cumin. I want it to be mixed in with the other spices and kind of nice and blended together, not the predominant flavor. Okay, and I'm going to do a little less than 1/8 even, less than 1/8 of a teaspoon even for this amount. So again, that has a strong flavor, so you want to adjust and make sure you don't put too much in, and then you can always make adjustments later. Okay, and then we're just going to pulse a few times and then process. Forgot to put in the salt, and I'm just going to start with like about a little less than half a teaspoon, just to start with that. Okay. And that's what we have going on. So let's taste it. Let's see. Nice thickness to it. Yeah. That's perfect. That's delicious. Wow. I don't need to make any adjustments, just the right amount of lemon and the spices. That smoked paprika gives this little hint of smokiness. So I'm calling this good to go. And that is it. That is how you make your own baba ganoush, if you want to say it that way. And yeah, I hope you'll try this and enjoy it. Again, this is perfect meal prep friendly thing to make on the weekends, and then you'll enjoy it throughout the week. I just used one medium to large size. I just used one medium to large size eggplant, but you can always roast 2 at a time, and then you'll have twice as much of this and it lasts, 4 or 5 days, probably 5, 6 days in the refrigerator. And yeah, so it lasts a while, and it will last a while, and you can enjoy it throughout the week. And yeah, and you can adjust to your preferences. If you like more tahini, you could add more tahini. It's just up to you. But this is perfect, and I'll write out the measurements in the description box below, and I hope you try it and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below when you do, and what other kinds of things you'd like to see here on the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more meal prep, so this is definitely going to be part of my meal prep this week, and we're definitely going to do some more meal prep videos. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you next time.